Welcome to MegTech, your destination for the latest technology reviews, innovative gadgets, and smart buying guides designed to help you choose the right tech with confidence. Is the Thermalright A70 Vision White worth your money? Can this panoramic ATX gaming case handle a powerful modern gaming PC? And what does that huge 9.16-inch LCD actually add to your setup? I've added a link below where you can check the latest price, current offers, and availability. The Thermalright A70 Vision White is a full tower-style showcase PC case built for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want performance, component compatibility, and a seriously eye-catching presentation. Its three-sided panoramic tempered glass design gives you a wide view of the components inside, making it especially appealing for RGB builds and carefully coordinated white gaming PCs. Thermalright officially lists the A70 Vision White as a current case in its lineup. Inside, there's room for ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards, so you have plenty of flexibility when planning your build. The case supports graphics cards up to 420mm long and CPU coolers up to 168.4mm tall. That means you can pair this chassis with many high-performance GPUs and substantial tower air coolers without having to build around unusually compact components. Cooling is another major part of the A70 Vision's design. You get 8 120mm fan positions in total, with 3 at the bottom, 3 on the right side, and 2 at the rear. It also supports 100, 240, and 360mm radiators in the bottom and right side positions. In real-world terms, that gives builders plenty of flexibility to create a high airflow configuration or install a large liquid cooler for a performance-focused gaming system. And then there's the feature that immediately separates this case from a conventional ATX chassis, the 9.16-inch LCD display. Thermalright's matching Trofeo Vision 9.16-inch display uses a 1920 by 480 resolution and connects through USB Type-C. On a showcase PC, a screen this large can be used to display system information, custom visuals, temperatures, monitoring data, or other personalized content, turning the inside of your computer into part of the overall desk setup. That wide 1920 by 480 format is particularly interesting because it's designed more like an ultra-wide information panel than a traditional monitor. You can use that horizontal space for hardware monitoring or visual effects without taking attention away from your main display. The case itself measures approximately 451 by 290 by 477mm according to available product specifications, giving the internal layout enough room for substantial components while maintaining the vertical tower-style appearance. There's also support for up to 200mm ATX power supply, plus 2 3.5-inch and 2 2.5-inch drive positions. Connectivity is also straightforward, with the front I/O providing USB Type-C alongside 2 USB-A ports, an audio connection, and the power button. That Type-C port is especially useful for modern peripherals, external storage, smartphones, and other USB-C accessories because you don't have to reach around to the back of the PC every time you need a fast access connection. If you're enjoying this review so far, consider giving the video a quick like. It really helps support the channel. Now let's talk about the overall experience. The panoramic glass layout is clearly aimed at builders who want their hardware to be part of the room's visual design. Instead of hiding the motherboard and graphics card behind a traditional front panel, the A70 Vision gives you a broad view angle, making RGB lighting, white components, custom cables, liquid cooling, and GPU designs much easier to appreciate. Independent testing of the A70 Vision family has also explored its cooling performance using demanding hardware, including an Intel Core i5-13600K and GeForce RTX 4090 Founders Edition. In that test setup, the case was configured with multiple 120mm fans, demonstrating that the chassis can accommodate a serious high-performance configuration when properly equipped. Compared with traditional gaming cases, the A70 Vision White is really targeted a different kind of buyer. If your priority is simply putting components into the smallest possible chassis, there are plenty of simpler options. But if you're building a premium gaming PC where the hardware itself is part of the visual experience, the panoramic glass, large LCD panel, spacious component compatibility, and extensive fan support make the A70 Vision much more interesting. And because the case supports graphics cards up to 420mm, 360mm radiators, multiple fan positions, and 3 common motherboard sizes, it gives you considerable freedom when planning a modern gaming PC. So, who should consider the Thermalright A70 Vision White? It's an excellent fit for PC builders creating a showcase gaming setup, RGB enthusiasts, content creators who want a visually impressive workstation, and anyone who wants a large information display integrated directly into their PC case. The combination of panoramic tempered glass, 8 fan positions, 360mm radiator support, 420mm GPU clearance, USB Type-C connectivity, and that impressive 9.16-inch LCD makes this much more than a basic computer enclosure. It's designed to become one of the most noticeable parts of your entire gaming setup. If you're searching for a white ATX gaming case, panoramic PC case, showcase gaming PC case, Thermalright A70 Vision review, or a PC case with an LCD display, the A70 Vision White is definitely one to put on your shortlist. Thanks for watching MegTech. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more technology reviews, comparisons, buying guides, and the latest gadget updates. See you in the next video.